Hello Maths fans, when we're back with a Maths Watch help clip on a clip for a Year 9 assessment which was set on the 27th of April 2020, and this relates to Maths Watch clip a24b. This is question 14. If you've seen my question 13, if you haven't seen the question 13 clip, then I suggest you do that first, because I'm not going to go through the full explanation here. I'm just going to go straight into the method. And the previous one, the question 13, will do that for you. Okay, so if you've watched that, you should know I've got two rules for working out y. Y is equal to 3x plus 2, and y is equal to x plus 6. So I know that y and that y are the same. So what I'm saying is that the way of working it out must be equal to each other. So that must be true that 3x plus 2 must be equal to x plus 6. That's one way of working out y. Y equals 3x plus 2. Another way of working out y is x plus 6. Okay, an equation now that we solved. Just like we have solved other equations with unknowns on both sides, I subtract x from both sides to get 2x plus 2 equals 6. Or stopping x being on its own, that plus 2 and that times by 2. I subtract the 2 from both sides first to get me 2x on this side. Once that's gone, I subtract 2 from 6 and I get 4. What's stopping x being on its own now? Well, it's that times by 2. I divide both sides by 2 and I get x. I should have written that down there. X equal to 4 divided by 2, which is 2. Okay. Now you remember, for simultaneous equations, we also need a y value as well. Okay, it's the coordinate where these two lines, if we plot them as graphs, would intersect. So I'm going to take that x equals 2 and I'm going to substitute into the easiest of the two. And do you know what? I'm going to use this one because that looks nice and easy. So I'm going to say sub in to y equals x plus 6. And what I'm saying is I'm taking my x value of 2, yeah, and I'm putting it in. So I'm saying y equals x plus 6. I now know x is 2 plus 6 gives me 8. So my solutions are x equals 2, y equals 8. Okay. Only thing to add there is I could have substituted that x into 2 into here. If you got y equals 3 times 2 is 6 plus 2, I'd still get 8 there. So that should be the correct answer. Again, like I said, if you've come to this one first, make sure you go back to question 13 help first, because that will make more sense, hopefully. Okay. Good luck with that, and I'll see you soon.